情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here comes music from San Geu Tai, taken from their Golden Melody Award-winning album, Yan Feng Yao. Now, this song is called Oi Ya Oi, which means love me or love me not. It expresses a woman's enduring love and yearning for her beloved, regardless of where she is or the time of the day. So let's take a listen to this kind of a cute love song here on ICRT.
长夜来思恋，真啊真思恋，大半啊有三妹，大半三妹，三妹个性也诺奈，哟哟的哟，大半来三妈妹，三妹来啉酒，比比啊有赞赞，比比赞赞，赞赞个性也诺奈，哟哟的哟，爱呀爱，丝丝恋恋，爱呀爱，相拥，风雨吹过身边，散发芬芳满天。
这是一首山狗大后生乐团所带来的歌曲，叫做《Oi Ya Oi》，意思就是爱还是不爱，也是收录于他们金曲最佳客语专辑《言风谣》里的一首歌哦。这个山狗大呢，把客家小调失恋歌重新填词谱曲，唱出阿妹无论在何时何地对阿哥的思念又爱恋的心情，很忐忑不安。
你也来思恋，真啊真思恋，大半啊有三妹，大半三妹，三妹老白眼诺奈，哟哟的哟，大半来三妈妹，三妹白眼了，数半啊有发起。
She loves me, she loves me not. She loves me, she loves me not. That kind of encapsulates the meaning of this song, Oi Ya Oi. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.